Good morning, students. Welcome back to our environmental studies online classes. Today we will see unit number 20. Unit number 20 is air. In this chapter, first we will see air particles, then we will see uses of air. After that, we will know about the wind, and then at last we will see how air gets polluted. Okay, so let's start. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, we can only feel it. If we hold our hand under our nose, we can feel the warm air that we breathe out. If we blow through the straw into a glass of water, we can see bubbles of air. Air keeps moving all the time. That is how it carries different types of smell. We can smell flowers, perfumes, delicious food through the air we breathe in. Air has many particles. The air around us contains many things. It contains many gases and water vapor. When we hang the clothes in the sun, they dry up. When we wash the floor, it dries up after some time. The water from the wet clothes and the water from the wet clothes and the floor changes into water vapor and mixes in the air. We cannot see water vapor in the air. Water vapor in the air forms clouds and brings rain. Now, uses of the air. Air inflates balloons. Inflates means to blow. Air is filled in balls so that they bounce well. Air is filled in the tire tubes of the vehicles so that they run smoothly. Plants, animals, and human beings cannot live without air. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. A gently blowing wind is called a breeze. A gently blowing wind is called a breeze. A hard blowing wind is called a storm. A hard blowing wind is called a storm. From this image you can identify the differences. This is the images of the storm. A storm can break houses, uproot trees, cause floods and a lot of damage. Wind makes things move. It helps a boat sail on the water. It pushes the water in the ocean and causes waves. The wind blows trees, leaves and clouds and help kites fly high in the sky. It blows the smoke away when there is a fire. Now, polluted air. We need clean air to breathe. Clean air keeps us healthy, but air is not always clean. It has dust, smoke, and tiny particles called germs. Smoke from vehicles and factories has harmful gases. These things make the air dirty. Dirty air can make us sick. The air which has harmful things is called polluted air. We should plant a lot of trees around us. Trees clean the air. We should check our vehicles so that they do not pollute the air. We should keep the windows open to let in fresh air. So here was our lesson, our unit number 20, air. Now we will see hard words of this lesson. WARM, warm. BREATHE, breathe. DELICIOUS, delicious. Particle, particles. Inflates, inflates. Wind, wind. Breeze, breeze. Storm, storm. Uproot, uproot. Floods, floods. Damage, damage. Waves, waves. Write down these hard words in your notebook once. Thank you and see you in the next video with further exercise.